Hey, Northwest Hiker here, and Rocky, my trusty sidekick. We're gonna head down to the beach and check that out. We're at Sister's Rock. There's a cove view down there. It doesn't look like that beach is walkable down there. Too many rocks and junk you'd have to climb around. A little windy down here, but not too bad. Halfway decent day. Got some blue sky out there with still quite a bit of smoke from a wildfire burning about 15-20 miles from here. This used to be a gold mining town back in the 1800s, Frankfort. So this was a road that went down here, down to an old mining town. I wouldn't think that there'd be gold around here, but guess there is. Ouch! Stepped on a rock. Here's the beach view. There's a beach area down there that's kind of cool looking. Boy, that'd be a nice spot to camp down there if I could drive down here. You could at one time. There's a bunch of old mining debris and stuff down there. I'll have to take a walk down there. That's always cool to check out. You checking that out, Rocky? There's a tent camping spot right there. If you wanted to tent camp and walk your gear down here, this would be a beautiful spot to tent camp. Oh, Rocky, you don't have to poop right there. I'll have to cover that up. There's a sea cave right here. This must get some winter storms that rip right through here. See what this looks like up here. Climb up here, there's some garbage. Oh, get off the edge there, Rock. Come here, here. I don't want you falling in there. Ooh, that's nasty. Ocean coming right through there. Here, come here, come here. That goes all the way through. That's cool. Guess you get down there, it's not too big a drop off. Boy, I bet that's I get some big swells coming through there. I bet this is a dangerous spot to be standing if there's a storm. Okay, let's go out on the sand here. There were a couple surfers here yesterday. I don't see anybody out there today. Some big waves coming in. I don't know what the tide is, if it's high tide now or low tide or what. I think it's fairly low. Rocky, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go out on the beach. Come on. So watch out for sneaker waves. They'll come in behind you and get you. Rocky says, watch out for sneaker waves. There's a big tsunami coming. Come on, let's go. Here. Come on, Rock. He wants me to throw a stick for him. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go find a stick. Come on, let's go find a stick. Let's go find a stick. You go play in the surf? Whoa, here comes a big one. Come on, Rock, here, stay out of the dry sand. All this wet sand, you're gonna be a mess now. Come on. Come on, Rock, let's go. He got close to getting totally buried. That surprised him. Whoa, there's a feather, Rock. You better look out. You'll go get a sneaker wave coming in and get you. What is that, Rocky? Is that crab? I know. Come on. Okay, his tide must be out because it looks like it came all the way up to here. You're gonna get caught by a wave if you don't watch it, Rock. You get too close to that water. You're gonna get washed away. Yes, you are. Don't give me no sass. Don't you give me no sass. Don't give me no back talk. These waves are gonna get you, Rock. Here comes a good one. He's gonna get his butt wet on that one. Oh, not quite. Almost got you, Rocky. Come on, Rock, let's go. There's my shadow. Rocky, come on, hey, you're gonna get washed away there. You better watch that. Hey, you better watch that, Rocky. The waves are gonna get you. They almost got you. That was a big one. Good thing you saw it coming. Come on. Here comes a big one. Uh-oh, Rocky's getting into the wave zone down there. Better look out! Oh, he got wasted. I told ya! Didn't I? Oh, no, roll in the sand. You're gonna be a filthy mess now. Come on, hey, come on. Here, I told you, stay out of the waves. Come on. I told ya. He got all wet. Here's Rocky four-wheel drive on the rocks. Rocky on the rocks there. Yeah, he'll get up here and he'll get you dried off. You're all wet and sandy. All right, come on. I'm gonna get a picture of you here up here on top of the rock. Rocky likes to get up on the rocks. See if there's a way around over here. Be a cool spot to run around and play in the rocks here. Some big caves in here. There's some big logs tucked back in there, all ground up. All right, Rocky, don't. Here, come here. Here, look what I found back here. Come on, over here. Look. Oh, he's annoying. Did Timmy fall in the well? Yeah, he was. Rocky, what's that? Is that a feather? You better get it. What is that? Stuff's gonna get you, Rocky. If the ocean doesn't get you, the feathers and weird stuff that you don't know what it is scares you. You're a little sissy dog out here on the ocean. Out of your element. Those feathers terrorize you. Huh, Rock? Alright, Rock, come on, let's go. Better watch those sneaker waves, they'll get you, Rock. Supposed to get some big waves coming in tomorrow on Saturday. This will probably be trash down here. Supposed to get a big. There's Jonathan coming in. Supposed to get about 1 to 2 inches of rain coming in by tomorrow night and over the weekend. Come on, Rock. You gonna get your stick or you gonna leave it there? And we're back over to the road going back up. Come on, we're gonna head back up, Rock. You gonna bring that stick back with you? Come on. He's gonna carry that stick back. He likes that stick. That's a good stick for you, Rock. Here's my camper way up top there by the 160, I think that's 168. There's some people up above. There's a tiny little lizard right there. Ocean lizard. Prehistoric ocean lizard. First one that's been found. I would name it Brachiosaurus. Alright, here's the mining debris from, I think it was 1850, so over 150 years ago. There's a big great blue heron. It's all nice calm bay in here. There was a little community town that grew up here back in the 1800s, and I guess there was a pier here. Looks like a nice protected little cove coming in here. Nice spot. See some houses up on the hills there, so got some mega buck real estate around here. Bet everybody from California comes up here and gobbles up any property in a hurry. This would be a nice spot here to camp. Nice big flat grassy spot here. Here's the windy side, looking north up the coast. Coast with the most. All right, we're back. Rocky's tuckered. Here's my camping spot.